One thing that's funny about having a label and having people on board is it's amazing how much hard work it still is to get the music out there. You know, you guys have heard most of the songs tonight, and I'm very proud of the work, and I'm proud of what they represent from my growing up as a songwriter and as an artist. But it's a tough sell when there's not a big radio single and there's not, you know, anything that's kind of instantly sellable. Right. So the best way for me, someone out there is a fellow singer-songwriter. You're like, yeah, get him. The best thing that can possibly happen for my work is word of mouth. So if you do like it and if you appreciate it, I'd really love it if you could, I don't know, let people know. Every tweet, every Facebook post not only builds my self-esteem, but it also makes my record label feel a little bit less stressed out. So it's even in like JB Hi-Fi and stuff. In fact, I think there's a guy here from JB Hi-Fi tonight. So they love you. So anyway, thank you so much for coming. I just finished, this is the last show of my tour. I get 3 weeks off. Yes! And then I get to go to America and play 31 shows in 38 days. Wow. Driving in a bus. Yeah, you're not so happy about that now, are you? This last song's called Songbird. Thank you so much. Just keep that level of nervousness up there. Have a chill on that. Sit. Sing. If there are any singers out there and you're feeling a bit unsure about your life, then this is for you. Or just anyone. If you can't sing, not for you. I wrote this for a friend who has a very powerful voice. It's amazing when you've got an instrument like that, how many things in life will try and kind of stifle it. Make you feel insecure, make you feel nervous, make you feel like, especially in this country, sometimes it's a little hard, especially those in the room that have the biggest voices, most colourful personalities, most colourful clothes, hairdos, most colourful ways they express themselves. Sometimes we get a little shut down, so this is for you guys. There are places that I remember where you sang in the night and it turned into grey. They're saying that you have gone quiet, and they say that you hide they don't know you the way that I know you. If your little voices, they are fencing you in, and all of the others, these girls and their circle. If you could see in their eyes when you start to sing, you're a songbird, and we ain't seen nothing. We ain't seen nothing. Little songbird, don't hide it away. Show your heart to the world and never stop singing. Don't you ever stop singing. And one of these days you believe when we say you're a songbird, God made you that way. fire in your eyes every time that you sing. You're a songbird. We ain't seen nothing. We ain't seen nothing. Little songbird, don't hide it away. No, 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 no. Show your heart to the world. Never stop singing. Don't you ever stop singing. One of these days you believe when we say you're a songbird, God made you that way. Made you that way. Made you that way. So show us what you're made of. 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 Would you show us what you're made of? Show us what you're made of. Hey, little songbird, show us what you're made of. Yeah, yeah, little songbird, show us what you're made of. Little songbirds, and one of these days you believe when we say, sing with me. You're a songbird, God made you that way. Thank you very much. I love you all. Thank you so much. Please come and say hi after. I'm so sure like you guys are the best.